Hey, so it's Taryn here again, and I'm gonna use my shimmer stick, but I'm gonna use it on my eyelids. And I did this before and I really liked it. So same application style. I love to use my finger when it comes to this product because it is creamy and it is a stick. So we're just gonna warm that up. But just something really quick. I always put foundation on my eyelids because your eyelids has the veins, there's some discoloration. So when you're doing something light like this, you always want to make sure you have an even palette almost. So start with some of this on your finger just like this, and I just pat it on there. You can rub it, you can pat it. I find patting helps to get like an even application, as you can tell. So we're definitely not going for a smoky look, but a fun, flirty summer look right here. Do it on my other eyelid. And you can also see, I don't know if pigmentation is a word for it when it comes to glitter, but you can see how pigment this product is on the eyes, just like that. And I'm still gonna go on with my shimmer stick. I'm gonna do my highlight as regular on my nose, of course. Just blend that in. I love for my nose to be shiny. I don't care what anybody says. My nose, you don't see it. It's outside. There we go. My shimmer here. This is a very glowy look. Very glowy. Very fresh. Very light. Put it on my chin. And I do like to use the Ninja eyeliner, but I'm gonna pass on this look. But I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I thought that was me. I'm gonna go in with my mascara and just get in the root, pull those lashes up. Just like that. Look at all that glitter. I'm just going everywhere. From head to toe. There we go. Very light and fluffy. I love that. And then I'm gonna go in with my BNTC Tea Face Mint Spray. Yes, that's a mouthful. Shake, shake, shake. Always shake your products. Want to make sure the ingredients are well infused and mixed. And I'm just gonna set my face with this spray. Oh, that feels good. I'll put it on my body too, because why not? It feels so good. So quick, glowy look, and there you have it.